Hey everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to watching harisystems for an important topic. Which course should I learn for software job opportunities? Someone is saying that to learn Java is a great future for you. And one of my friend is saying that Python is today more trending. Why don't you try to learn? Someone is saying that DevOps is very easy. You need not to worry about the writing of coding and programming languages. And Linux, yes, it's a great future and a legacy like in the fast days also, which is a great future it is there. And someone is saying that Amazon Web Services and also Azure. So lot of questions in my mind. Where should I go? Are you feeling the same way? In a mimic, where do I go? Are you? So here is a solution for you, which you like most and which you are most comfortable. You feel, yes, start learning today. Either it may be programming language or it might be like a DevOps, like a app. Some application which is readily available in the industry you are going to be learning means which is a DevOps or AWS, Azure. All you need to know the configuration techniques. And you want to be make a master and want to be start career as a developer. Yes, start learning Python, Java, C#. Any one of the programming language is having bright future. If you are looking for strongly as a front-end developer, concentrate on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So anywhere, all you need to choose a course to understand, listen, attend the demos and practically you to prove yourself and start learning today. Harysystem is also offering great courses if you are interested, which are industry experts putting their efforts, which are real world concepts in the courses. Want to try more? Find the below link. We'll share you more information. Thank you.